Assalamualaikum. Hello level 2. I am your teacher Miss Wajiha from Falcon House Grammar School Campus 9 level 2. Hope you all are doing well. Beta, this is your science unit. Before start our new topic, beta, let's revise the previous one. What we have done in previous lecture, we have started our first unit of final term, which is the unit number 11, electricity. Hope level 2 you have made the title page of final term, then the title page of unit number 11, electricity, and I hope majority of the students have done their given assignment. The assignment was to answer the following question, which was on page number 51 from your textbook. Beta, I have shared this picture for you for those students who have not done their answer yet. So level 2, please done these 3 questions. This is for those students who have not done their work yet. So beta, complete your work. Question number 1, what is meant by mains electricity? Question number 2, how does mains electricity reach our home? Question number 3, what does batteries do? Beta, those students, please kindly maintain your index, mention date on every page. This was the work of 20th April 2021. This was the previous work. You have to complete this one. Alright, now come toward our today's topic. First of all, you have to open your science book and textbook, page number 52. We have topic 11.2, which is circuits. What is circuit? The path that electricity takes from its source to its destination is called a circuit. The meaning of path means rasta, level 2, and the electricity. Here we know very well about electricity, beta. Takes from its source to its destination. Now you will understand this topic, this definition with the help of this diagram. Beta, the path means rasta. The path that electricity takes from its source. What is the source? Here's the source is battery. From its source to its destination. What is destination? The destination is light, to light a bulb. How can we light a bulb, beta? We can light a bulb with the help of battery, which is a source, and with the help of a switch. So the definition of circuit is the path that electricity takes from its source to its destination is called a circuit. Level 2, you have to learn this definition as well. When the physical classes will restart, inshallah, beta, I will conduct a test of the definition of the circuit. I will remember that definition. You have to learn this definition. Alright, what is circuit? A circuit is like a circle. If you run all around a cricket ground, you have completed a circle. What is a circuit? Circle, beta, we all know a circle has no corner and no sides. So electric current flows just like a circle. There are 2 types of circle, level 2. First is closed circuit, second is open circuit. What is the difference between closed circuit and open circuit? The difference is when for this purpose an electrical circuit needs 4 things to work. First is a source of electric energy like a battery. Number 2, wire for the electricity to travel along. Number 3, a bulb, something to convert electricity into heat or light. Number 4, a switch to turn on or turn off the circuit. Alright, now come toward the closed circuit. Beta, what is the function of the closed circuit? In the closed circuit, level 2, electricity can only flow when the switch will be closed. Because when electricity start to travel from this positive charge, electricity start to travel, the electrons start moving to forward. Just like that, beta, when the circuit is closed, then they can easily flow through the wire and they can lighten up the bulb. But level 2, when the switch is open, what will happen? See, when the battery give electron to travel to lighten up the electric bulb, when they start to travel, beta, they cannot travel through the wire because the switch is open, the connection is interrupted. That's why the electricity will not flow and the bulb will not lighten up. Alright, level 2. This is a very short topic. About your assignment in your exercise book, beta, what you have to do? We have done 3 questions in our exercise book from our unit number 11. Now this is a question. Write 4 things. What 4 things are needed to complete an electrical circuit? Write in a web. The 4 things are battery, switch, wire and light bulb. You have to write in a web in your exercise book. Second question, draw a simple circuit. You have to draw a simple circuit which is closed. Beta, a circle is completed when a switch is closed. So you have to draw a simple circuit, closed circuit diagram, not an open circuit diagram. Okay. Third assignment is, these are very easy assignment. Third assignment is on your workbook level 2. Open your workbook right now and open your page number 27. On page number 27, first write the date, which is 24 April 2021. Here you have to label the diagram. What is this? Battery, this is a switch, this is a bulb and this is a wire. Electricity is a type of energy. From the power station, electricity reaches our home through wire. This type of electricity is called mains electricity. A battery stores a small amount of electricity. We must never touch electric socket with wet hands. Okay, level 2, I will let you understand this topic. In our physical classes, we will do an experiment of a switch, open circuit and a closed circuit as well. Thank you for watching level 2. Now take very good care of yourself. Maintain your index. Mention date on your work. The date of your question answer was 20 April and the date of these 3 questions is 24 April. Kindly mention date on every page level 2. I am repeating again and again. Take very good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.